So there's no doubt that we're seeing a shift in the housing market. It's all over the news, but while existing home sales are down, I want to put that into context for you. Here's a look at existing home sales going all the way back to 2017, including the most recent forecast for this year. When you look at this, a couple things stand out. First of all, 2021 was an incredible year for the housing market. I mean, we actually hit 15-year highs in existing home sales. The second thing is that the orange bar for this year's forecast shows sales are returning to where they were pre-pandemic. So, what does that mean? Here's why this is important. The media talks about how the market is crashing or the boom is over, when in fact, we're just heading back to before the health crisis. And don't forget, those were very strong years for real estate as well. My goal is to keep you educated on topics like this so you feel as confident as possible when you're ready to buy or sell. So DM me if you have any questions. I'll always give you my honest opinion about the housing market. I'll be here to help you 1 year from now, or even 5 years from now. So just reach out to me. I'm here. Have a good day.